Okay, we're going to look at some of our working smarter, not harder videos today. We're looking at a product that you need to have if you ever put spray hose on, and that's our reusable spray hose reel. Now, if you've ever put spray hose on your truck, you know how important it is not to let it kink or bend, because then what you're going to have is a crack in the PVC underliner, and it's going to lead to bubbles. It's going to cause it to bubble up. You're going to have troubles with it. So what you want to do is keep this hose as straight as possible while you're installing it. And to help you do that, you can use one of these reusable hose reels. If I can get it on here correctly. That's what editing's for. Helps if I go the right direction. Okay, so we're going to put the bottom on, and then we're going to pull it around. And then what you see here is a hose that actually came back to us. They ordered the wrong size, and it was shipped back to us. Unfortunately, the customer cut the bands. Now, you know, never cut the bands or the packaging off until you're actually ready to roll it on to the truck, because anybody that's ever done this knows it's a whole lot of spaghetti to have to straighten out if you do it any other way. Well, they cut the bands on it, so, which by the way led to a restocking charge. So what we want to do is simply take this and try to work it in to the center. All right, now that we wrestled that on there, as you can see, that's why you don't want to break the straps first. That was a little bit of work. But we finally got it tipped over. We put it in, shook it down, tipped the box over, and now we're on top here. So now we take the second piece and we're going to roll this one on. Has a tab right here to hold it. And as you can see, now you have a reel. Now to take this back apart, you just get your screwdriver and pull that push that tab down, and you can use it on the next roll. You can see we use quite a few of them here in our store at 4J. But now we have the ability to take the hose off the reel. If you're putting it on a truck, you can put a pipe through here. You can put a broom through, well, maybe not a broom, but put something through this center hole, put it up on a stand, be able to roll it right into your truck. No bending, no kinking, no busted